This Merrithew SPX Max Reformer model is equipped with a vertical stand, allowing it to be stored in an upright position. Please note that standing or lowering the reformer requires two people. We recommend having someone to assist and spot when standing the reformer upright. Set the foot bar into the lowest position. Place the gear bar and the carriage stopper in the second position. Position all 5 springs in the gear bar. Grasp the end crossbar with both hands and lift the reformer. Keep the reformer below waist height to prevent the frame from making contact with the floor. Roll the reformer to the storage area. To stand the reformer, lift it upwards while carefully moving one hand and then the other to the side rails. Continue lifting the reformer until it's fully upright and resting on the foot bar. Using your foot, pull out one leg of the stand until it is fully folded out and in line with the reformer rails. Repeat for the stand on the other side. Ensure that the floating safety tabs on both sides are hanging vertically just above the chrome adjuster bar. Wiggle the reformer slightly to ensure the reformer is solidly set in place. To lower your reformer, hold it firmly in place. Use your foot to push in one leg of the stand until it is fully folded under the wooden standing platform. Repeat for the stand on the other side. Walk your hands up the rails as you back up and lower the reformer towards you. Shift one hand to grasp the end crossbar, then the other hand. Continue lowering the reformer. Bring to waist height to prevent the frame from making contact with the floor and roll the reformer to its destination. Lower it carefully to the floor. Reset the carriage stopper, foot bar, and springs as desired, and attach the vertical frame or accessory boards if needed.